Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best lens cleaner spray is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any photographer, whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out. Keeping your lenses spotless is paramount for capturing those crisp, clear shots we all strive for. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of lens cleaning sprays, exploring what makes a great one, and helping you choose the perfect solution to keep your lenses in pristine condition. Number 5. ZEISS 2-ounce Lens Cleaning Spray, Pack of 2. This ZEISS lens cleaner provides a streak-free finish. It's designed for daily use, ensuring your lenses are always clear and ready. You can safely use it on various lenses, including those with anti-reflective and blue light blocking coatings. It's perfect for glasses, sunglasses, and camera lenses. The gentle formula is ammonia-free, toxic-free, and low VOC. This protects and cleans all lens types effectively. After spraying, simply wipe the lens with a non-abrasive cloth. This will leave a spotless finish without any streaks or residue. The small 2-ounce bottles are perfect for on-the-go use. Keep it in your car, backpack, purse, or wallet for easy access. What we like. This ZEISS lens cleaner provides a streak-free finish, ensuring crystal clear vision. It's safe for all lens types, including those with coatings. If you're looking for a reliable, everyday cleaner that's easy to carry, you should consider this one. What people say. The spray bottle is well designed and easy to use. It cleans the lens effectively. The microfiber cloth is of good quality and does not scratch the lens. Number 4. ZEISS Lens Care Pack, Streak-Free Lens Spray and Cloths. Introducing the ZEISS Lens Care Pack. It includes everything you need to keep your lenses clean and clear. This pack is designed for everyday use, ensuring a streak-free finish. The ZEISS lens cleaner and microfiber cloth work together seamlessly. They provide a dependable cleaning solution. You can rely on them to keep your lenses in top condition. This lens cleaner is safe for various lenses, including those with coatings. Whether it's eyeglasses, sunglasses, or camera lenses, it will work. You can use it with confidence. The gentle formula is ammonia-free and low VOC. It effectively cleans all lens types. The microfiber cloth is reusable and washable, making it a practical choice. The ultra-soft cloth and lens cleaner are non-abrasive. They are tough on imperfections but gentle on your lenses. This ensures your lenses remain scratch-free. The small 8-ounce bottles are perfect for on-the-go use. Keep it in your car, backpack, or purse. It's convenient and always ready when you need it. What we like. This ZEISS kit includes a microfiber cloth for enhanced cleaning performance. The lens cleaner and cloth work together for a streak-free result. If you want a complete cleaning solution with a reusable cloth, it's a great choice. What people say. The spray bottle is well designed and easy to use. The lens cleaner effectively removes smudges and fingerprints. It leaves no streaks or residue. Number 3. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. This kit from Altura Photo is designed to keep your camera in top shape. It includes everything you need to clean your lenses and sensor, ensuring your photos are always clear. The kit comes with a variety of tools, including swabs, a blower, a brush, and cleaning fluid. It also includes a carrying case to keep everything organized and protected. The sensor swabs are designed to absorb and remove any smudges or particles. This ensures that the sensor is clean and ready to capture the best possible images. The lens cleaning fluid is made with all natural ingredients. It's safe for all electronics and coated lenses, and it won't leave any streaks or blemishes. The included carrying case makes it easy to take this kit with you wherever you go. It protects all the essential tools, so you can keep your camera clean on the go. What we like. This Altura Photo Kit is specifically designed for full-frame cameras, ensuring compatibility. It uses an all-natural cleaning fluid, which is safe for your lenses. If you have a full-frame DSLR and need a comprehensive cleaning kit, this is the one for you. What people say. High-quality kit provides cleaning items in a very smart-looking case. A high-quality product that will get the job done. The instructions for swabbing the sensor are super clear, and the most important part is to use only 1 or 2 sprays on the swab. I held the swab about 3 inches from the spray nozzle to avoid saturating it. 1 gently firm swipe in one direction, flip the swab, then 1 gently firm swipe in the other, and most of my sensor dust was gone. There was no residue at all. The cleaning solution is safe for all lenses, and it has done an amazing job cleaning everything from the lens glass to the camera body and sensor. Seriously looked like a mirror finish when I was done. The previous cleaner I was using worked okay, but not to this extent. Also, I want to note the large cleaning cloth is a must. I never realized until I used it how much I was missing out on this. Number 2. Altura Photo Camera Cleaning Kit. Introducing the Altura Photo Professional Camera Cleaning Kit. It's designed for APS-C DSLR and mirrorless cameras. This kit includes everything you need to keep your camera in top condition. This kit includes a hard carrying case, lens cleaning pen, brush, air blower, tissue paper, and a microfiber cloth. It also comes with a 2 ounces lens cleaner and sensor swabs. Everything is included to keep your camera clean. The sensor cleaning swabs are designed to absorb and sweep away particles. They are compatible with APS-C sensors. Use them to keep your sensor clean and clear. The all-natural lens cleaning fluid uses the power of nature. It cleans without leaving streaks or blemishes. It's safe for all electronics, coated lenses, and sensors. The included travel case stores and protects all the essential tools. It keeps everything organized and ready for use. This makes it easy to take the kit with you wherever you go. What we like. This Altura Photo Kit is specifically designed for APS-C cameras, ensuring compatibility. It uses an all-natural cleaning fluid, which is safe for your lenses. If you have an APS-C DSLR and need a comprehensive cleaning kit, this is the one for you. What people say. High-quality kit provides cleaning items in a very smart-looking case. A high-quality product that will get the job done. The instructions for swabbing the sensor are super clear, and the most important part is to use only 1 or 2 sprays on the swab. I held the swab about 3 inches from the spray nozzle to avoid saturating it. 1 gently firm swipe in one direction, flip the swab, then 1 gently firm swipe in the other, and most of my sensor dust was gone. There was no residue at all. The cleaning solution is safe for all lenses, and it has done an amazing job cleaning everything from the lens glass to the camera body and sensor. Seriously looked like a mirror finish when I was done. The previous cleaner I was using worked okay, but not to this extent. Also, I want to note the large cleaning cloth is a must. I never realized until I used it how much I was missing out on this. Number 1. Purity Eyeglass Lens Cleaner Kit. This lens cleaner is safe for all lenses and screens. The formula is extremely effective at removing dirt, dust, oil, and fingerprints. It can clean any type of lens or screen, including those with AR coating. This eyeglass cleaner will restore your glasses to their best clarity. It leaves no streaks, residue, or smudges behind. You'll have a clean and clear vision after using it. The kit includes premium cleaning microfiber cloths. The unique weave traps dirt, dust, oil, and fingerprints. This helps keep your eyeglasses as clean as possible without causing scratches. The glass cleaner spray is pH neutral, silicone-free, and fluorine-free. This makes it safe and gentle for cleaning all of your glasses and other items. It's the same grade used by optical professionals. This product has been proudly manufactured in Ronkonkoma, New York for over 26 years. Buy with confidence, and if you're not happy, customer support is available 24/7. What we like. This Purity Lens Cleaner is safe for all lenses and screens, offering versatility. It provides streak-free cleaning, restoring clarity. If you like a product made in the USA with a focus on quality and customer support, you should consider this. What people say. The kit includes 2 8-ounce lens cleaner spray bottles and 1 2-ounce spray bottle, along with 2 microfiber cleaning cloths. The cleaner is safe for all lenses, including AR-coated ones, and it effectively removes dirt, dust, oil, and fingerprints without leaving any streaks or residue. The microfiber cloths are of high quality and do an excellent job of trapping dirt and oil. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.